So as you can see, this is that XR water damaged. I'm powering this phone with just like VDD main straight. I'm not using the battery because the contact to the battery was also worn out. It's really bad. You can see one side of it is missing right there because it grounded so bad right about there. It grounded so bad I had to so I had to just cut that and bypass because I couldn't connect the battery right there. Now in the back of the screen here, I'm just being cautious. Both backlight drivers have been replaced. The diodes were bad as well, and then in the back, chestnut has been replaced, and there was also some short circuit somewhere. I'll show you guys in just a second. But now, as you can see, it's on. It has a little bit of backlight still on the corner out here. There's a little shadow. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyway, but there's a backlight over there that I need to deal with at some point. The phone is back up. Everything is good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the frame and then see what also is damaged. I bet the front speaker is gone. Proximity sensor and facial recognition is blown out as well because that line is short and really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure that out. But yeah, that was the water damage XR. That was a complete repair that I did on that phone, and as you can see, it's on and running. There you go. Here the proximity is working fine. You can see it's bright now. If I dim it, I turn it on. Yes, beautiful. Got it.